The stethoscope of tomorrow may listen to data, I always say. है ना? आज का stethoscope आ गया ना डाटा के साथ. Will it still hear live? No, it can never. तो वो जो टच, वो जो आप कान में सुनते थे ना एक बार पेशेंट के पास, वो शायद बदल जाएगा आगे. लेकिन this thing it will cannot replace. So what should we do? The question is, what will define the doctor of the future? That became the biggest question. And the first thing is the medicine is in a transition period now. Now it is wherever we have come after entering AI coming into the picture, no, we are in the transition period. AI diagnoses first, but it heals nothing. Have you ever? Do you think AI can heal anybody? I was seeing a video recently. Somebody in China, there is a hospital where there are no doctors. Have you ever heard about it? No. You'll go and see. There is a hospital in China. There is all the robots are being there. People are coming and they are getting a thing. They have started just now. But you see, after some time, what will happen? Fine. It will heal nothing. People may go, but when it comes to the trouble, then our job will be more and more. And it will increase, you can say. Because they will create problems and we will be in trouble. And now the whole medical scenario, if you see, this burnout is very high. Yes or no? And our empathetic approach is decreasing day by day. I agree. It's with me also. Fine? And over specialization. Remember one thing. One of the biggest drawback in today's medical practice is the over specialization. जो एक के बाद एक जो group, there are people, this who is doing it. There are some people getting together, making a specialization, then it's a small thing, and it is only we are creating, and then we go and with our own approach and on influence, we create a course, and then course goes. And the person who comes out, it's nothing. We see it in our hospital every day. I don't know about IJs, we see it every day, how the over-specialization is killing us. So this is going to happen. We cannot, this is a transition period. Fine? And we should evolve, not into a robot, but into a conscious integrator of life. This is what is our job. So what do you mean by doctor the integrator? क्या कर सकते हैं? We have to harmonize. Harmony होता है ना? We have to harmonize between the science and the soul. What I talk about science is that about at the cellular level, how the things are happening. We have to understand that. And soul के साथ मिलाना है उसे. And data with discernment and biology with technology. अगर हम integrate कर सकते हैं, then maybe we will be doing something I told you before. And understand the patient as an ecosystem, not as a case. Now we are talking about cases only, no? Case, bed number, case and all these things, and we just pass away. We do that. We can use AI as diagnostic purpose for image. We can do that. But cellular recovery, how our medicine is acting in the cellular level. And with that, not only medicine, there are a lot of things, our connection, our, connectivity with the patient. So there is a word called rapport. Rapport building is a technique. It is not that we can build rapport, but if you want, I can make a rapport, we can be with you, within my technology, with the NLP technology, we can connect with anybody. Give me a person, I will connect with them, maybe within 5 minutes. You have to understand that. A doctor we should learn this technology. Because we have never been trained or never been discussed a single day about the communication skill, about rapport system. We are not. Right? Because we are so busy with the academics. At the end of the day, we are good at your knowledge, but nothing on this. So integration is not mixing, it's a harmonizing. So हम जब integration के बारे में बात करते हैं, when I talk about my organization, now it is working on the integration. Integration is not mixing up. I'm not mixing allopathy with homeopathy with this thing, which is happening in the government level. What I'm talking, at the level of the cell, how I can integrate yoga also, how can I integrate nutrition also, how can I integrate physiology also, how can I integrate this? So we are now going to launch, maybe if my thing goes well, by the month of January, we are going to start a course called Self-Health Care and Holistic Wellness. It's going to be floated by Odisha State Open University. 1 year diploma course. So once that course floats and once the first graduate comes out, I think this is a diploma course. We're going for degree also. We are going for 4-year degree course also. Because I want that a person who is going to talk about health one day will be a graduate of this. He should understand physiology, he should understand anatomy, he should be psychology, he should understand this. Then only he will be able to talk to as a person. So this is my job. I'm fighting it alone. But I think in future, a lot of people will join us, and one day we will become a big force. That is what my personal interest is. So we have to integrate the things. It's a harmonizing the things which is knowledge available. Is knowledge is everywhere. So knowledge, nobody can claim it is mine. But how to channelize this to a point where it will serve to a common man. That is what is our aim. So doctor is the innovator. What should we do? From protocol based to purpose based medicine. Now we are totally protocol based. है ना? ये protocol है, ये protocol है, ये protocol है. But sometimes this protocol never works also. Protocol based to the purpose based medicine. Innovation through biology, learning from cellular adaptability and regeneration. So one thing is which has never been taught to us about the regeneration. Once upon a time we used to think our brain cells never regenerate. Now we talk about neuroplasticity. Yes or no? So lots of things are changing. So we have to understand that once we understand the regenerative capacity, how the things are happening inside our body. Can you regenerate the cells? Can you regenerate the thing? What is the biologist talking about? If you understand that, then maybe a lot of things will be changing in future. It is going to change. And who will bring the change? That makes a difference. So cellular protocol, what I am talking about, cellular is nothing but it is a teaching on the reversal at the cellular level. How can we, what are the things? So if there are a lot of things which can, if you work, then it will act at the cellular level, the information will go to the cell at the epigenetic level, and it will try to switch on the switch of genetic expression. That is where our job is. And that nobody can understand more than what a doctor can understand. So here, recently I wrote, say, 7 series article on cellular. That is how we can do, that is in the LinkedIn. Anybody in the LinkedIn, they can go and they can subscribe my magazine called Art of Self-Health Care. So how this naturopathy, they are using the thing, but they do not know the biology. How that can be? How can we integrate yoga? How can you integrate nutrition? How can you integrate modern medicine into one stream? So you have to innovate, because what I'm talking about is the innovation. Nothing. It's there, everything is there, but we want to do something, do some work and see that whether it is working or not. That is what is our job. Chronic lifestyle diseases, it is diseases being created by us. So we have the power to bring it back. And that if you can convince the person, because people are going for a lot of things. People are going for yoga, people are going for nutrition, people are going for this. But at the end result is not that, because they do not know why. Everybody is ready to give what? Fine? You do this, you do this. What is there? In medicine also we are giving what? Ab bukhar se hai, aapko de dete hain. But if the person understands why I should do it, like in 2011-12, I understood why should I do this. And I started doing the things, knowing the why. That's why it is continuing till last so many years. I am doing the same thing which I supposed to do. And it is not one day job. It is the person should be convinced to do it every day. That he will do only when he knows why. Fine. So this is what is the main aim. And doctor as a inspirer is very important. We have to spend some time. We have to be good. We have to develop our communication skill. We have to develop our public speaking skill. I got trained for public speaking in 2019 or 18. Because knowledge is there, but you have to go and get it. In our medical science, how much money we are spending? We are spending so much money. Can we spend some time? You have to spend some 1 month, 15 days, 20 days. Fine. A real prescription is equal to hope, trust and participation, and inspire patient to awaken their own healing and intelligence. Because the moment I told you now, healing, I operate, we give medicine, but the healing will be from inside only, from that person only. So how you're guiding them, that is more important. Because we don't have any control over the healing process in the body. The same medicine, one person will heal for 2 days, another will take 10 days. Fine. That is where our job. Self-health care, educator movement, doctor is teacher of resilience. We should be good teacher. We never get a chance to become good teacher, but that we can create, that position we have to create ourselves. A true healer ignites the patient's own intelligence. There we can, when we become a good inspirer, we can ignite the patient's own intelligence, body's intelligence. That is what is the main thing. So let us talk about the AI and BI, two code of intelligence. AI can predict, but BI can transform. AI predict patterns, BI create possibilities. Fine. We possibilities through the biological intelligence. AI can process data and BI process life. AI stimulate empathy, and through BI we feel it make the people feel the empathy. It analyzes diseases, it awaken healing. So AI is just going to help us, but BI is the real application. So the future is AI assisted but BI led. AI will only assist. It will be a servant of us. It will be a servant. It will remain a servant. It can never become our master. At least in this field. I hope. In this field, we should never allow them to become our master. But it will assist us, but it should not. Your things, again, you have to analyze your textbooks, and all these things are very important. Fine. AI will give you some knowledge, but it is not very, may not be very authentic. AI can diagnose, only biology can heal. Yes or no? Our biology, so we have to understand the biology very well, and we will make our patient understand the biology. So it is called healing beyond algorithm. All specialties now depends on data, but recovery depends on biology only. Fine. There is nothing AI cannot. AI do not have any role in our healing process. Fine. This mitochondria, emotions, and energy regulates post of outcome. How the energy, if we know about now, there is a lot of talk about mitochondrial health, which I have been talking about since last 2019. Now I see people are talking about mitochondrial health. There's a new term that has come out, and this is what in my book Care for Your Health we have written a chapter on this mitochondria, how it. So the future of physician is equal to custodian of consciousness. So ultimately, if you come back to the things, it is our human consciousness which is going to always reign the society. Not AI will never. Whatever we can say. Fine. Reclaim medicine as a movement, meaning not machinery. So we have now the doctors, as a doctor, we have a responsibility for this movement. We have the responsibility to carry forward. So you people are now in the front, because you are just coming in the changing period. When AI is coming up and you people are graduating, you are the best people to understand this and apply it. Because हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है अभी, because we do not have anything to say. But when you grow, when you take this as your future movement, one day you will be able to get benefit of this, because biologically it is going to reign. It's not going to change. We are evolving. Since 250 billions of years, our cells, the same cells are being evolving and taking us to a greater level. So this is what going to. So our vision is now, I call it from our organization, there is one cell, one earth, and one health. There is nothing more than that. So this is going to be our future slogan. So closing reflection, the future doctors is equal to integrators, innovators, and inspirers. Let's heal the culture of medicine itself. So we are going to this, because we need a change in the culture of medicine. It has come to a stage where you need to heal it also. And that responsibility goes to you people. We will help you. As a guide, as our experience, and so many years. Sir will also tell some things. Madam also, I've called them, because we have seen the golden period of the practice, which you may or may not be able to see. I don't know. Fine. But we can hear something, what we used to, the way we used to practice, the way we used to get the respect. That you have to learn from them. So ultimately, I finish with this. This is our flag now. I have created this flag for our organization with the cellular protocol. This is one cell, one earth, one health. And this is on this movement, we are going to move forward. I hope you people will be with us. Thank you very much.